Medicare's annual enrollment period opens next week, and there's some big changes to be aware of.
News 8 Now's Allison Fergut explains what you need to know.
A number of Medicare Advantage plans are pulling coverage from the area, leaving thousands with having to find a new insurance plan.
Everybody's petrified.
Courts will no longer offer Medicare Advantage plans in certain driftless area counties, including Vernon County. Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield is also pulling coverage on the west side of Wisconsin.
It's different in every county, but a lot of plans are being impacted. I think statistically, nationwide, it's 2 million people are being exited or off their plans.
Along with Vernon County, Tesca says Wisconsin's Jackson, Crawford, Juneau, and Richland counties will also see coverage losses. Minnesota's Winona and Houston counties, too.
I've been doing this for 41 years, believe it or not, working with Medicare, and I will say of all those years, this is the biggest changes that I've ever seen.
Hundreds packed into a Viroqua meeting about the changes, with many more having to be turned away at the door.
Healthcare is very important to people. It's very expensive, and we need people to wake up and realize this and do something about it.
Tesca says there are two major reasons for the plans being pulled. One is the limit on prescription drug costs.
What happened was that when you limit out of pocket to $2,000, somebody's got to pay for that. So what happened was the liability was on insurance companies, so now they have to pick up that extra cost.
The other reason for the exits, changes to Medicare itself.
All Medicare Advantage plans negotiate a price to take care of their services with Medicare. They contract, and a lot of those pricings or the contracts they negotiate with Medicare were cut.
Tesca says if you are losing coverage, it's a good idea to reach out to a local independent insurance agency to go over your options.
A lot of times we can tailor a plan so they don't have to change their doctor. They can keep the same doctor, keep the same pharmacy.
But Vernon County residents say politicians should be doing more to help.
I'm hoping that people remember all these issues and these problems when they go to the voting booth the next time. But how we are going to live through the time until we get there is going to be very difficult.
Open enrollment for Medicare opens next week on the 15th, and it'll close December 7th. Reporting in Viroqua, Allison Fergut, News 8 Now.